Hello everyone, in this video, I will demonstrate the process of changing your phone number on WhatsApp. To begin, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Once the app is open, locate the three-dot icon situated at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Settings option. Within the Settings menu, tap on the Account option, followed by the Change Number option. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter your old phone number and your new phone number. Ensure that you enter the correct information in the respective fields. Once you have entered both phone numbers, tap on the Next button. WhatsApp will then send a verification code to both your old and new phone numbers. Enter the verification codes in the designated fields and tap on the Next button again. Your phone number on WhatsApp will be successfully changed once the verification process is complete. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.